Okay, it's test drive time. Okay, another test drive here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. This is a 1998 Chevy Corvette Convertible. Beautiful car. I drove it all the way back. It runs and drives awesome with a 6-speed transmission. Nice. All around, just nice car. Beautiful paint. Nice wheels. 100 detailed pictures available at maplemotors.com. Financing and shipping also available. Guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Well, we already know the horn works on this one. We're not going to place bets unless you just want to. Interior, pretty nice. A little over 90,000 miles on this one. All right. This is door ajar. Going to trip here. Which one do I hit? 91,000. That's kilometers. Can we change it, please? I don't know how to change that out. There we go. That's what we do. We go to trip, miles. I'm just hitting trip the whole time. 56,000 miles is what it is. Going around the interior. Cold AC. Oh yeah. Turn signals. Wipers. It's all there. Alright guys, we're going to take off down the road and see what else we can find on this one. Alright guys, got y'all set up on the head cam here. We'll turn the AC off so you can hear the car. Like I said, this thing runs and drives great. All the gauges work. Low mileage at 56,000 miles. Just running through all the gears there. We'll slow it down a little bit as we got up to 60 here. A little bit over the speed limit. Brakes are touchy. Plenty of pep. This is going to be easy test drive. Mainly what we're going to be going over now, I guess, is cosmetics. We'll light up the undercarriage as well. But we'll look at the paint and the interior on this one and see if we can find any flaws. Okay, as far as running and driving, this thing is doing it. It's doing great. I will be back. Okay, time to rock and roll. Heading on back to the lot now. So far, everything's checked out on this beautiful ride. Pretty quiet, easy to drive. I mean, basically like a 50,000 mile car. Nice interior, decent paint. There was very little flaws, but those flaws need to be shown. I'm going to show you those at the end of the video here in a segment called Picking Out the Flaws. It's always at the end. I put it there on purpose. And I kind of layer these videos exactly the same on purpose so you can skip around or whatever you need to do. But if you're wanting to buy a car from us, I do highly suggest watching the whole video of the car that you're wanting to purchase. That way you know everything. Sometimes, not often, because I pretty much make everyone watch the videos that wants to buy something. But we'll have somebody go, oh, I didn't know it had that. And then I'll show them the video and they'll say, oh, I must have skipped it. Well, don't do that. Don't be that guy. Also, something you need to know, watch out for scammers. They're everywhere. They impersonate me. And they'll take a video like this, take a clip out of it, bumping the road, real smooth. They'll take a clip out of it and then post it on their platform, and these guys are sitting overseas. And it'll say something like a fake page like official Maple Motors. Well, we don't put that in our titles. Plus, you can see it from the subscriber count. That's always a big giveaway. Because those guys haven't been doing it as long as me, that's for sure. And with your help, we can take them down. Picking Out the Flaws coming up next. All right, I'm here to pick out the flaws. Chips, scratches, rust, and dents. Let's get started. A crack right here in the marker light. In the front too, like spider webs in the front bumper. See some kind of sporadic there. Spot in the marker light on this side too, a little hazy. Dusty right there from the armor all. Chip in the corner here. Front windshield looks decent. Light little chip there. See some marks under the handle, but that'll buff out. Light lines on the back here from where the top sits. Little dirt on the side, light scuff. Scratching the paint. Seals are good, jams are good. Trunk is super clean. And it shuts easy. Touch that mark on the door. Another one here. Let's go. Touch up mark on the door again. Oh, it's got a button for this, don't it? Hey, I remember some things. Touch that mark there. Scratch on the back. It opens well. Top comes up easy. Easy peasy, and that top looks great. Just marks from where it's been down. And I think the sun should make those wrinkles come out. Generally, this kind of stuff. It's just little wrinkles. Coming on down with it. That's how easy it is. And I'm putting this back in the showroom, so we'll just leave the top down. Interior. Door panels. Pretty perfect, really. I don't see anything wrong with it. Light scratches in your jams. Carpet's a little pulled there. Passenger seat. Oh, maybe I gotta push the lock, or the latch over here, not the lock. Let's see. Double check it. There it is. I don't guess it likes to be closed from the passenger side first. A little dirt there, I got it off. Guys, thank you very much for watching my video. If you've seen something you want me to go over more, no problem. I'll send you more. 100 detailed pictures available on maplemotors.com. Let's head back to the lot. Be sure to hit subscribe, share, and thanks for watching.